The Dutt family being part of promotions more than what we saw today, or I mean.
I think that's just a little unfair because they've already
because
shown
we had
so
heard
much
the news
support.
actually that Sanjay Dutt had requested his family to be part of promotion, so that's why we just wanted a clarification on that.
I think Rahul will be able to tell you better. Though they are always there, they've always shown us support, and they're still going to be there. Priya was here today, and we're really grateful to her for coming. It's just that it's extremely unfair to make them present themselves on a podium like this, because it's yes, considering what's happening. So it's not fair on our parts to ever ask them to oblige us or to ask for anything. In fact, even if they want to come, we would tell them that I don't think it's really fair. We will do this, and we know you're there for us.
कि संजय के behalf पे मान्यता will be doing interviews and the promotion. How true is that?
I think it's the same question what she actually said. They have what they are going through right now is it's not right on our behalf for me to call them here to come out on a podium. Where they have to promote something. If any one of us would be going through what they are going through right now, I mean, we wouldn't have had the guts to even get out of the house. For them to come out and do even this much is, I feel ashamed to ask them. Even if they do tell me that we are there for you, but by what face do I show them and ask them to come out and support me? Their support here right now with the family was here. I think that's more than enough. That shows their spirit and what they feel towards us.
A film showcasing larger than life image of Sanjay Dutt. So there is a little chance of an actress being noticed in the movie. So what's your comment on this?
See, while it is superb to be a part of film where you just have to give 5 dates and say that give me a song that's a hit, and I think my job is done. It's wonderful to be a part of a film like that. But at the same time, I'd say that this is a very important film to me because I think I've been a little choosy and picky about the kind of films that I do. The role matters to me a lot. What really my character is in the film. That's very, very important to me. I thrive for critical and commercial success, both. So this film is lovely because I think I play a girl who always speaks her mind. She's intolerant to dishonesty. And I love the kind of strength that she has. So I think when I was narrated the whole film and I heard my character out, there was no way that I was going to say no.
आपकी इस फिल्म को sympathy factor का कितना फायदा मिलने की उम्मीद है?
See, unfortunately, that's one card which I don't want to play because people should not be feeling that I'm playing the sympathy card. It is unfortunate what is happening, but nevertheless, the film has to be released. But I'm not going to be doing any frivolous publicity. I'm going to take the whole film's publicity in a sober and in a very respectful manner. Like the support of Mr. Dutt's family and everything. We're going to take this as a very serious affair, and sympathy or no sympathy, or I don't know, I don't think we should use the word sympathy, we should use the word affection for Mr. Dutt. I think that's a more appropriate word to use. He is going to be back, so yeah.